1 dirham 2005 to 1425 from United Arab Emirates, a rare old queen. The price for this 1 dirham 2005 1425 is $4 million. A very expensive queen in the world of dirham in United Arab Emirates. So if you are interested, please call +63 997 692 2374. Antonio Bacor, Purpur, Macalaya, Placer, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to comment your price. Comment your price in the comment section. The highest bid price will be the buyer. Don't forget to heart, like, share, and download. This is your chance to own this rare queen in the world of United Arab Emirates. So try to imagine 1 dirham 2005 rare old queens with the current price of $4 million. Very expensive.